Searcy Heat and Air. And it's September 1. So that means it is time to let you know what all these prizes are. We've got a lot of things in store for you, but before we get started, I want to give a shout out to Nick Goforth and Jay Davidson over at Southern Pipe and Supply. Without them, this wouldn't be possible, and so thank you guys so much. So going forward, our prizes that we're going to be offering this year are going to be during the fair booth. We're going to have a booth at the fair September 13th through 18th. During that time, you can register to win one of these prizes. So this is what you can get. So the first prize that you're going to be able to win is a free fall tune-up. We're going to give you a little bit more details on this a little bit later, but just know that's a $175 offer that you can win. Second thing is an Emerson digital touchscreen thermostat. This is a Wi-Fi thermostat that you can put in your home. It also includes the installation. This is about a $300 value. Again, something that you can win. The third thing is an iWave R. It's a home air purification system that, especially these days with COVID and everything, it's a great thing to put in your house. That's also installed. This is around a $600 value. So for the grand prize, we're offering this year a Goodman full system. This thing could be anywhere from a 2-ton to a 5-ton. It's going to be a 14-SEER system, and it can be anything that matches your house, whether you have a heat pump, whether you have a gas system, or a package system. Any scenario you have, we're going to be able to put a new system in for you. I'm going to install it personally. Me and my construction manager, Anthony Jones, we are going to be the ones who actually put it in. So it's a huge savings, a huge opportunity for you. It's a $6,500 offer. Once again, the way you're going to be able to get these is you have to come to our booth at the fair from the 13th to the 18th and register to win. We're going to be drawing on the 18th at 5 o'clock. We're going to be doing this on Facebook Live. You don't have to be there to win. As long as you filled out a complete registration form, you're all good. There's only one per family, so you need to get over there and see us as fast as possible and get those entries in so that you can be eligible for all this. We have one more final offer that we're going to be throwing out there, and this is a limited time offer. This is a first come, first served basis type thing. Southern Pipe has offered several 20 SEER units. Now, for those of you who don't know what SEER is, that's an efficiency rating. So 20 SEER is really high up there. They're going to be offering a 20 SEER system. We're going to install it for $5,800 plus tax, 5,800. Normally, that installation would be somewhere around $10,500 to get this system. But right now, they have limited supplies. So like I said, it's first come, first served. If you have that second story with about 1,000 square feet that you're looking to put something in, this is a great opportunity to put a really, really high efficiency system in your house for a small amount of money. So give us a shout at 501-827-1995 for any questions you might have. You can also catch us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you at the fair.